Tubeway manufacture and supply year-round garden products using 100% recycled rigid PVC and polycarbonate glazing sheet offcuts. The recycled PVC is extruded into 14mm diameter tubes, which are completely rot-proof and can be curved without breaking. These will last a lifetime in the garden. They come in 3 products, all of which have the necessary components and instructions, and which are simple to put together and use. Wigwam climber frames have 10 2.1 metre tubes that are stuck in the ground and tied at the top. These can be used for large plants like green beans. Alternatively, you can use the poles as hurdles in the ground over which protective netting can be draped to protect your vegetable patch. Mini wigwams have 6 950mm poles and are suitable for training plants within a large pot or flower bed. Trellis Kits make a 2.1 metre high fan that can easily support large heavy plants when screwed to a wall or fence. Polycarbonate glazing sheet is long-lasting, high quality and immensely strong. This sheet is 2mm thick. We'll try and break it with a hammer. As you can see, it won't break, so is a perfect replacement for standard greenhouse panels. It's UV protected on both sides, so will never yellow or crack. Our cloches have a detachable lid that gives instant access but does not blow off. This and the base have push-fit edgings and corners, so they can be taken apart and stored flat each winter, ready for many more years' service. There are 2 sizes of cloche, both 250mm high. This is the smaller garden cloche, which fits 3 standard seed trays. The bigger nursery cloche fits 5 seed trays. Both can be used for seedlings or plants in flower beds. Buy these products online at tubewaysales.com in the Home and Garden section, or call the Tubeway sales team on 01473 251 051.